Are you thinking about buying the H2O X5 Steam Mop from x5mop.com? Before you make that decision, let's talk about what's really going on with this product and the website behind it. The product sounds impressive at first. It claims to kill 99% of bacteria, viruses, and germs using steam. It's also advertised as a 5-in-1 cleaner for all kinds of surfaces: hardwood floors, tiles, carpets, windows, and even countertops. And best of all, they say it's totally chemical-free and high-tech. But here's where things start to fall apart. While the website is filled with glowing images and bold claims, there's no real scientific proof to back up the claim that it kills 99% of bacteria or viruses. Just spraying hot water with a little steam is not enough to achieve that kind of result. They say it's high-tech, but in reality, it looks more like a simple hot water sprayer. Nothing advanced about it. So right from the start, the claims seem exaggerated and misleading. When you scroll down the website, you'll see they've listed over 3,900 reviews, all extremely positive. But don't let that fool you. These reviews are fake. There are no genuine reviews on independent sites like Trustpilot or Reddit. That's a huge red flag. If this product was really that popular, you'd see real people talking about it somewhere else online. But you don't. Another major issue is the lack of transparency. There's barely any contact information, no clear refund policy, and no details about who even runs the website. That makes it extremely risky if you ever need support or want to return the product. Now let's talk price. They offer a 40% discount, bringing the price down to $129. But if you do a quick search, you'll find very similar steam mops on Walmart or Amazon for under $70. That's nearly half the price, and you're buying from trusted platforms that actually have customer service. So if you're thinking about trying out the H2O X5 Steam Mop, I'd strongly suggest going with a reputable brand or platform instead. Don't fall for flashy websites and fake reviews. Stay smart, stay safe, and always do your research before hitting that buy now button.